Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will guide you on how to run Python and JavaScript in make.com. So, let's get started. To run Python and JavaScript code within make.com, you'll primarily rely on third-party apps or making HTTP requests to external services. Make.com doesn't have native Run Python or Run JavaScript modules for all users. Here's a quick guide to the common approaches. Running Python. Utilize third-party apps. Several make.com apps are designed to execute Python code. Popular options include Zero Code Kit, formerly OneSauce.co. This app offers modules specifically for running Python code snippets directly within your make.com scenarios. Custom.js with Python execution. Some versions of the Custom.js app might offer the ability to execute Python code inline, though this might be less common than JavaScript execution. Other specialized code execution apps? Explore the make.com app. Marketplace for other tools that might offer Python execution capabilities. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Zero Code Kit website. Once on the Zero Code Kit homepage, locate and click the Sign Up or Get Started button. You will then need to complete the registration form, providing details such as your name, email address, and a password. After activation, log in to the Zero Code Kit website and familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you may find information about their services, available tools, and potentially API keys or connection details. The next step involves connecting Zero Code Kit to make.com. Start by logging into your make.com account in your web browser. From your make.com dashboard, go to the Scenarios section, where you can either open an existing scenario or create a new one by clicking Create a New Scenario. To add a module, click the plus button in the center of your scenario canvas, or the plus button to add a module at any point in your flow, and search for Zero Code Kit in the module search bar. Select the desired Zero Code Kit module, e.g. Run Python code. If this is your first time using the Zero Code Kit module, make.com will likely prompt you to create a connection. Click Add next to the connection field. A pop-up window will appear, requesting your connection details, usually an API key from your Zero Code Kit account. To locate this key, return to your Zero Code Kit dashboard and look for a section related to API, integrations, or account settings, where you should find and copy your API key. Return to the make.com connection window, paste the API key into the designated field, labeled API key, secret key, or similar, and click Continue or Save to establish the connection. Make.com will typically test the connection to ensure it is working. Finally, configure the selected Zero Code Kit module, which may involve entering Python code, specifying input data, or defining other module-specific parameters. So, input your Python code in the Your Python Code field, and click the Save button. Now simply click the Run Once button to run the code. And that's it. By utilizing Zero Code Kit, you can run Python and JavaScript in make.com. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.